A sweet end to the school year for a group of culinary students. Their tacos took home top prize.
Yeah, they're sharing their winning recipe with Kevin Ozebek in tonight's 7 Spotlight.
A few ingredients and a little bit of teamwork can create a winning recipe.
The secret is lots of flavor.
This is the Miami Springs Senior High School culinary team, also known as the Hot Hawks. The team is led by teacher and Miami Springs graduate Melanie Mann-Odin.
This is the original classroom from the 60s when the school was built, and I came in and I was shocked to see that nothing had changed since 1992.
Melanie wanted to revamp the culinary program, so she asked the Education Fund for help. The organization helps provide educational opportunities for Miami-Dade students.
I reached out to them and I said, I'm in dire need. And with the help of the Education Fund, they provided accessories for me.
The Education Fund provided the utensils and appliances the Miami Springs Hot Hawks needed to sharpen their cooking game.
You just cut straight through into the actual avocado without cutting the skin.
All that practice has turned the Hot Hawks into rising stars. Each year, the Education Fund hosts a special competition for high school culinary teams called the Taste of Education. Teams submit their best recipes across several categories in hopes of impressing a group of judges.
So we were more or less looking at the side of doing something like California beach tacos, Mexican traditional tacos, and using the theme lowriders to incorporate into that.
The students came up with low and slow street tacos. They season a pork shoulder with a dry rub and cook it in a citrus blend marinade. The tacos are topped with onions, avocado, and cheese.
The competition was so crazy. When you get there, it's a whole bunch of different schools. You didn't expect to see that many people, that many judges from everywhere.
The Hot Hawks recipe devoured the competition. They earned 3 awards, including the biggest one, the People's Choice Award.
It was one of the most exciting experiences I've had.
The Hot Hawks are now looking for a new challenge next year.
We would love to come back and win the dessert category and show that we've come full circle.
And what a sweet victory that would be.
Buen provecho.
Kevin Ozebek, 7 News.
We would like to judge. If you want to try the Hot Hawks prize recipe for yourself, all you have to do is go to our website, WSVN.com. And if you know somebody, some group or some place that we should spotlight, send us an email at 7spotlight@WSVN.com. They are so talented.
Future chefs right there.
Definitely.
And they're so small, I can eat like 10 of those.
Oh my gosh, those tacos look so good.
Really good, especially right now. That is 7 News at 5:30. Thanks for